Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It is a cloudy day and a windy day, but a lot of people have been asking me how do I do it? How do I capture the waves so close? A lot of people have suggested several methods, including holding the drone close to the wave. Yes, that's an interesting technique, but if you want to capture something far enough into the lake, I don't believe you will walk on water. Okay, so that's an interesting technique, but let's get straight to it. Let me show you all how I do it. So let's go. All right, let's take off here. And then the first method that I'm gonna show is going to be starting from the shore. So if you're close to the shore and you want to capture the waves, this is what you do. You simply go just a few foot from the water, and then you lower your drone. As you can see, you're already capturing a good view, but you are not yet on the water. So what you do is you go down maybe to about a foot, not less. If you're using the spark, if you go less than a foot, it will land itself. So be careful. Once you've gotten that level that you want, there about a foot and a half, then you can now go forward just like I did. So now I am on top of the water like you see, and you can go as far as you want. Once again guys, this technique or what I'm showing here is how I do it. It is for advanced pilots. Please be careful, you can lose your drone because any simple mistake and you go down, you will be in the water. So that's the first one. The second one will be if you are up high and you don't, please make sure you are not more than 20 foot away from the shore where you can actually see. You lower your drone, and then when you see that the wind or the air from your propeller is making waves on top of the water, that's where you stop, and then you get a perfect view like this one. So you have to go down very gently. I did it fast because I've been doing it rather for a while. So but you have to go down very gently until you are about a foot from the water, then you stop, and then you can only go forward, backward, left and right. Please be careful, don't try this if you are not too sure of yourself, if you've not practiced enough. It is an interesting technique, or those two techniques that I've showed you are very interesting but very risky. You can lose your drone in a second, so you have to have steady hands, you have to know what you're doing. So that's how I do it. Let's enjoy some nice view. Please guys, this is for experienced pilots. Please, if you are not experienced in handling your drone or flying from the app as I am doing, please don't try this. You would end up losing your drone. So you can also do it a third way, which is just flying through the app, and if you're up high, you lower your drone, you're looking at your app. Once you go down enough gently until you can capture the precise footage that you want, then you stop. But that's also very risky because with the app you can easily slide your finger down and then you end up in the water. So please guys, do not try this if you are not experienced, if you've not practiced a lot, especially with your app. You could lose signal, and even with your remote control you could mistakenly push the wrong throttle or push your throttle the wrong direction and you would end up in water. So that's how it is done guys. So have fun, let's enjoy this nice view. It is a windy day today, so that was a big risk I took. But thank you guys. Please comment below, subscribe, and see you on my next video. Have a good day.